right, folks, I do a lot of research, and so when I find a product and I tell you that it's a good product, it's because it's after falling asleep, of going through hundreds of reviews and then trying the products out myself until I find something that works. And again, we want to get good quality but without breaking the bank. These are the Maxxis Minion DHR2. So here's the new rear tires. They're 29 by 2.60. And then on the front, I have the Minion DHF from Maxxis. And these are kind of like the middle of the road tire. This has the Maxxterra compound, which makes it so that it has some good durability, good grip, and we have the EXO Protection, which gives you a little bit more sidewall protection against thorns, which we have out here in Arizona, where I'm currently at. Look at the knobs on this, huh? I've already been taking this out into the trails and having a blast. But we'll take it for a quick test drive so I can show you exactly how much fun it is and how it handles this loose gravel, sand, rocks, and crazy terrain. And we're off. I got these tires set at about 22 psi. And this is not a real difficult trail, but it's fun. One of the first trails I discovered when I got my first mountain bike, when I got this Specialized bike. I mean a real serious mountain bike. I had some Trek bikes that were considered mountain bikes, but they were entry level. The Specialized Comp 29, it's a game changer. 29-inch diameter wheels, 2.6 wide, shock in the front, and I mean significant difference in pedaling, how it handles adversity. And one of the greatest discoveries too is that, you know, you pay a little bit extra money and almost never have to get my gears adjusted. On a cheaper bike, your shifting can get out of alignment every few weeks. This locks it in, and I've had it where I had it for a couple of years and the shifting is still rock solid, accurate precision. Just phenomenal. Look how much fun this is. Here comes a fellow rider. Oh yeah, these tires handling so great. Can handle all this loose sand. Look at these babies, huh? So after several hours going out on these trails and a variety of some technical trails, these things are phenomenal. You can feel where if you're starting to slide, it snaps right back into place. And again, they're middle of the road when it comes to durability and weight. You can get more durable tires, but that's designed for more like downhill racers, people that are doing hardcore stuff on a consistent basis. You can go one grade below this one, but then you risk getting sidewall damage if you just have the EXO. So this gives you extra durability, a little extra grippiness, stays within a reasonable budget. So yeah, grab yourselves a pair of these tires. These are awesome. I had previous to these, I had the Purgatory and the Butcher,
from Specialized, and those held up for a good long time. I had them for a couple years, and those, if you look at the specs, they're about equal to these. Have a great day.